To set apps to allow repeat notifications in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap advanced settings, and then tap notification reminders. You must turn on notification reminder first, tap switch until on if off, and then tap select apps. Select apps you want to allow reminder. You can select all apps or just a few apps. And then tap back button to save. Select the app, 6 apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.